Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create almost the impossible in Illustrator, and that is how to create a stroke around an image. Let us get started. To create a stroke around an image, you need the Appearance panel. Go to Window, click on Appearance. By default, you find no stroke effect or any fill effect. To apply a stroke around an image, select the image. Go at the bottom of the Appearance panel window, click on the stroke icon. Let us increase the stroke to 6. As you can see, the stroke is not visible. That is because Illustrator says nothing to stroke. To make that happen, you will need to use a dynamic effect. Go to Effect, Convert to Shape, click on Rectangle. That does not convert the image to a rectangle, but the stroke. Click on the rectangle. That creates a stroke around the image with an offset. That is because this effect was created to create rectangles around text. Go to the size option. Make sure you select relative. Change the extra wing to 0 and the extra height to 0. Click OK. Illustrator places images in a document loosely, doesn't create a frame around the image. That's why we have to use a dynamic effect to create a rectangle around an image in Illustrator. Let us also colorize the image. Go to Fill, Shift click on the Fill icon. Let us use the color blue. Let us sample it. Go back to the Appearance panel. Again, we see no effect. Go back to Effect. Click on the first command. Let us change the blending mode of the rectangle. Below Fill, there is an opacity option. Click on it. Click on Normal to change the blend mode. Change the blend mode to color. Let us also change its opacity to 70%. And that's it. Whenever you want to create a rectangle around an image in Illustrator, always remember to use the rectangle dynamic effect. That's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.